teach me how to pwn. 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 Teach me how to teach me how to teach me how to pwn. Teach me how to teach me how to teach me how to pwn. Teach me how to teach me how to teach me how to pwn. Teach me how to teach me how to teach me how to pwn.
When it comes to poning, we got the potion. They see us coming and they leave the BGs open. Nothing scoping, straightly let you choking. I just change the ice, can you win in slow motion? Like us, now you know that my guild's sick. You know DC always coming with them heels quick. Now watch a light dip, coming with the mean Chris. Try to deep like me, I guarantee I'll leave your gear rip. Pause, drop, go, stop, I let my pick hit crit kids, they drop. Newbies tell me when I own that I'm OP. Re-roll over here like you know me. We on top of the charts, check the rating. You'll say never on fire whenever you face me. So if you trying to want me run, just bring your team. Please deep fast, stay low if you wanna beat me.
Teach me how to pwn.